Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on the best beauty products out there. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to be the ultimate multitasker, a foundation and concealer in one. It's Clinique's Beyond Perfecting Powder, designed for dry, combination, and oily skin types. Let's see if it can live up to its claims and deliver on both coverage and wearability. Now, Clinique is a brand known for its dermatologist-developed formulas, which is always a plus for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking for skin-friendly ingredients. This powder claims to offer full coverage, a matte finish, and long-lasting wear. It's an interesting product because it's pressed, which makes it compact and travel-friendly. Plus, it's designed to work for a variety of skin types, from very dry to oily skin. In terms of its formula, Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder is fragrance-free, which is great for those who are sensitive to scents or prefer fragrance-free beauty products. It's also non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores, making it suitable for anyone with acne-prone skin. When I first tested this powder, I was curious to see how it would perform on my combination skin. I applied it as a foundation first and noticed that the coverage was buildable as promised, and the finish was quite matte, ideal for those with oily areas, like my T-zone. On my dry areas, however, I did feel the powder could accentuate dry patches, so prep with a good moisturizer or primer is a must. As for the concealer side of things, it worked well for covering up blemishes and redness, but wasn't as effective under the eyes, where I found I needed something a little more hydrating. I wore it throughout the day in different conditions, indoor, outdoor, and even after a light workout, and I have to say, it held up decently well, especially considering it's a powder. There wasn't too much shine by the end of the day, and I didn't experience any fading or settling into fine lines. That being said, if you have dry skin or like a more dewy finish, you might want to skip this one in favor of something more hydrating. So what are the pros and cons? Let's start with the positives. The coverage is impressive. It really does hide redness and blemishes. It's versatile as both a foundation and concealer. The matte finish is perfect for oily skin or anyone who likes a more velvety look. On the flip side, it can be drying on certain areas of the face, so it's not the best choice for those with drier skin. The under-eye coverage isn't as strong as I'd like. It doesn't provide that radiant glow some other foundations give, which can be a deal breaker for those who love a luminous finish. Now, let's talk about the value for money. At the price point, it's certainly not the cheapest option on the market, but you are getting two products in one, foundation and concealer. For those with oily or combination skin, this could be a solid investment, especially given its buildable coverage and long wear. If you're someone who's looking for a more affordable alternative, there are plenty of options out there, but none quite like this one. However, if you're willing to spend a little more for something compact and efficient, this powder is certainly worth considering. In terms of build quality, Clinique's packaging is always top-notch, sturdy and sleek. The powder feels smooth and finely milled, which is a big plus when you're trying to avoid a cakey finish. As for customer support, Clinique is known for responsive service, so if you ever encounter an issue, they're usually quick to resolve it. There's no indication that this product has undergone any major updates, but if it does, I'd be interested to see if Clinique improves its performance on dry skin or makes it more hydrating under the eyes. So, who is this product for? It's great for those with combination to oily skin types, especially if you're looking for a solid matte finish with buildable coverage. However, if you have dry skin or prefer a more dewy finish, there are other foundations out there that might be more up your alley. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.